If you're still paying monthly recurring software fees for your business in 2026, you're losing the margin war. When you're scaling an agency to over 100 active clients and trying to coordinate a specialized team of video editors, social media managers, and sales reps, software subscriptions are the silent killer of cash flow. That's why, whenever AppSumo drops heavy hitting tools on lifetime deals, I don't just browse them, I stress test them. And if they fit our workflow, I buy them. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on 3 massive AI-powered tools live on AppSumo right now. I didn't just get the entry-level plans either. I bought license tier 3 for Hey, license tier 3 for SBL.so, and plan 2 for DMChamp. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly why I bought these specific tiers, the hidden benefits you need to know, and a step-by-step look at how you can stack these 3 tools together to build a fully automated client acquisition and retention engine. Let's dive in. Let's start with tool number 1, Hey. When you have multiple social media managers handling varying client accounts, channel hopping is an operational nightmare. Switching between Instagram DMs, WhatsApp Business, Facebook Messenger, and live web chat just leads to dropped leads. Hey fixes this by consolidating every single conversation into one unified smart inbox. But it's not just a passive dashboard. Hey allows you to deploy fully autonomous AI employees trained directly on your custom knowledge base to handle 24/7 customer support and qualify inbound leads. Now, let's talk about why I purchased license tier 3 instead of tier 1 or 2. With tier 1, you're highly restricted. You only get one user, one AI employee, and a tiny 3 megabyte knowledge base limit. By skipping straight to license tier 3, you unlock the heavy-hitting pro features. 5 users and unlimited channels, perfect for giving my social media managers their own access without bottlenecks. A 20 megabyte knowledge base, so you can feed the AI deeply detailed SOPs, product catalogs, and raw documentation. And higher API limits. You get 500 requests per minute. This is critical for us because it allows us to seamlessly integrate Hey with our custom backend CRM dashboards to sync client ad account data directly into support conversations. If you want an AI that actually knows your business inside and out, Tier 3 is the only option that makes operational sense. Once your inbound system is locked down with Hey, you need a predictable way to get new clients. That brings us to tool number 2, SBL.so. This is a pure B2B growth engine. Instead of spending hours scraping leads or manually sending connection requests on LinkedIn, SBL.so automates the entire outbound cycle using AI. You simply prompt your ideal customer profile, and the platform automatically builds a targeted lead list and launches automated multi-profile outreach sequences. I invested heavily here and bought license tier 3 for $599. Why? Because outbound is purely a numbers game. Tier 1 gives you 10,000 credits and lets you connect exactly one LinkedIn account. If that one profile gets flagged, your outbound halts. License tier 3 changes the math entirely. You get 75,000 outreach credits and can connect up to 80 active LinkedIn sender profiles simultaneously. That means a lean 5-person sales team can manage the output of a massive fractional SDR network without hitting LinkedIn's monthly invite limits. You also unlock real-time intent signals, so the AI targets prospects actively engaging with your competitors. Plus, SBL.so just launched an MCP server feature, meaning you can control your entire campaign architecture directly inside Claude or ChatGPT via natural language. If you're serious about scaling cold outreach, Tier 3 gives you the massive infrastructure required to dominate the market. Now, when those leads from SBL.so or your organic marketing hit your DMs, you need an agent ready to close them instantly. That is where DMChamp comes in. Make no mistake, DMChamp is not a primitive keyword-based chatbot. It is a highly sophisticated conversational AI sales agent built specifically for Instagram and WhatsApp. It handles complex client objections, books appointments, and can collect customer deposits directly inside the chat window. For DMChamp, I decided Plan 2 was the absolute sweet spot for my current setup. Plan 1 limits you to 20,000 characters for your AI instructions, and only allows 20 AI responses per chat. That's too short for a real sales conversation. By stepping up to Plan 2, your instruction limit scales to 50,000 characters, allowing you to upload hyper-specific sales scripts and objection handling frameworks. Your AI responses scale to 50 per chat, giving the agent plenty of runway to close a cold lead. And you get 3 separate sub-accounts for compartmentalizing different brands or offers. Important caveat for agency owners. If you plan to resell this automated chatbot service to your clients as a premium, high-ticket add-on, you will need to upgrade to Plan 3. Plan 3 is what actually unlocks full white label capabilities, so you can wipe the DMChamp branding and add your own logo. But for strictly operating your internal funnel, Plan 2 handles exactly what you need. The real magic happens when you stack these 3 tools together into an interconnected ecosystem. Think about the workflow. You use SBL.so on Tier 3 to launch widespread multi-profile LinkedIn outreach targeting high-value prospects. When those prospects reply and shift the conversation over to your primary channels, DMChamp on Plan 2 takes over organically, answers their onboarding questions, overcomes objections, and hooks them into a deposit payment link. Then, once they become active clients, their ongoing communication, support queries, and cross-channel messages are streamlined flawlessly into Hey on Tier 3, handled by your custom-trained AI employees and easily managed by your internal team. By investing in these lifetime deals once, you completely eliminate the monthly overhead of expensive CRM add-ons, separate outreach tools, and standalone chat architectures. Building a lean, highly profitable business is all about maximizing leverage while minimizing fixed costs. Buying software for life is one of the easiest ways to protect your business margins. All 3 of these lifetime deals are live on AppSumo right now. If you want to check them out, see the full breakdown of features, or grab them before the tiers sell out or shift back to monthly pricing, I've left the direct links in the description below. Let me know in the comments which of these tools you're adding to your workflow. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more raw tech breakdowns, and I'll see you in the next video.